Imagine a moment of pure self-care, the simple joy of pampering yourself with a homemade skincare treatment. Today, we're creating a nourishing DIY face mask using natural ingredients to revitalize your skin. Let's get started. First, let's gather our materials. 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of finely ground oatmeal, and a mixing bowl. Each ingredient brings its unique benefits: honey for hydration, yogurt for gentle exfoliation, and oatmeal for soothing the skin. Begin by measuring 1 tablespoon of honey, ensuring it's leveled off for accuracy. Next, scoop out 2 tablespoons of yogurt, followed by 1 tablespoon of finely ground oatmeal. Accuracy in measurement helps achieve the perfect consistency. Add the measured ingredients into your mixing bowl. Using a spoon, stir the mixture until well combined. If the mixture is too thick, add more yogurt. If too thin, add more oatmeal until you reach a smooth, spreadable consistency. Now it's time to apply the mask. Start with a clean face and using gentle circular motions, spread the mask evenly, avoiding the eye area. This ensures even coverage and maximizes the benefits. Allow the mask to sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Use this time to relax as the ingredients work their magic. Visualize an animated timer counting down. After 20 minutes, gently remove the mask with a warm, damp cloth, then rinse your face with cool water to close the pores. Finally, don't forget to moisturize to lock in hydration. Admire your refreshed and glowing skin, feeling pampered and revitalized. Enjoy the simplicity and effectiveness of this natural DIY face mask.